Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I styled and installed this wig, please stay tuned to the rest of the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so today's review is from an Amazon company called Adarita or something like that. Don't quote me, but pretty much it came with the wig, which is a 4x4 body wave wig, and I believe this wig is an 18-inch, but as usual guys, I'll put everything down in the description bar. Yeah, so let's get started guys. So if you've been watching my channel, you know I have not been bleaching my knots. I have been using this Mean Grip knot healer, which pretty much temporarily bleach your knots. And this product is water resistant and is sweat resistant, and pretty much all you do is put it all over the lace and bam, there you go. Don't have to worry about using any chemicals. So yeah you guys, so that's pretty much what I did for that. So right now we're gonna fit this thing to fit my hairline, and we're going to secure it down. Okay guys, so to lay my wig down, we're going to be using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. I am using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold today because this wig is not going to stay on that long, and if anybody used the Bold Hold Liquid Gold, you know that it is a temporary hold. The Bold Hold is not a glue, and it's not water or sweat resistant. Again, it's just a temporary hold. Okay guys, so right now I'm just kind of blow drying the liquid gold to get tacky. And once it does get a little tacky, all I'm going to do is place my lace over where I put the liquid gold at, and then I'm going to tie it down for about 10 minutes, and bam, it's going to be all good. Okay guys, so now that we let it do its little meltdown situation, we're going to pretty much cut off the lace now. And once I'm done cutting off the lace, we're going to begin to style this wig. Okay guys, so for my baby hairs, I am using the liquid gold again to kind of do my baby hairs. I wouldn't have 100% say that I actually like using the liquid gold to do my baby hair, because with the liquid gold it was really, because the liquid gold is like really thick and sticky, so it was really thick and sticky and it was just a little messy for me. So I don't know if I will use it again to do the baby hairs, but I mean it did what it was supposed to do. It was just a little messy and sticky for me. Okay guys, so now that we're done with the baby hairs, we're gonna go back in and curl the hair. And I really did like that the hair curled really good. And to be honest with you, the curls last in this wig for a while, so that was a plus for me. Okay guys, so now that we're finishing up with styling, I am going back in with the knot healer to kind of define the part a little more. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. Here is the finished look to my body wave wig. Definitely let me know down in the comment section how you guys like this wig and this style. And also guys, stay tuned to the rest of the video to hear my thoughts about this wig and also how I colored the front of the hair. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're coming to talk about the hair that I'm wearing right now. And guys, this is a 4x4, I believe 16-inch body weight wig, guys. So in the beginning, you guys saw me installed this wig using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. And yeah, you guys, I installed this wig. And you guys, I am getting so lazy when it comes to, you know, doing my wigs. I used the Mean Grip. You guys already know I've been using this a lot in my videos if you have been watching. So I used the Mean Grip knot healer, wig knot healer in the color chocolate. I used that to bleach the knots on the wig. I didn't bleach the knots at all, you guys. Yes, I used this to bleach the knots. And also, you guys, I use it to dye the strips here on the hair. That's let you know I'm getting lazy, y'all. Y'all, I've been busy, seriously. But yeah, so I used it to color the front of the hair here, which is ludicrous. I thought it looked pretty good to bleach it, and I'm like, I did it and I was like, oh my god, is this gonna work? And it actually worked. It looks pretty good, and it's, you know, temporary. It's nothing that is going to stay on there for a long time. And sometimes, guys, I just do not want to deal with the chemicals. Don't want to deal with the chemicals. I'm telling you, them chemicals probably got me crazy nowadays, y'all, because I've been using chemicals for over 20 years. But whatever. But yeah, so I used that in chocolate to color the front part of the hair. So yeah, you guys, so let me let you know what my thoughts on this wig. So when I received the wig, it was super duper soft and super duper thick. It was so thick. And yes, I got this wig from Amazon, you guys. I'm gonna put everything in the description bar where you can purchase this hair. And like I said, I did get it from Amazon. The hair was so thick, guys. It's thick. It's really thick. But it is a 16-inch. And I liked it. It curled really, really good. Look at the curls in there, guys. It curled really, really good. So I haven't been dealing with too much tangling, but I feel like I have not did a lot in this wig to determine if it's going to tangle, because when you start sweating and moving around, that's when they're going to start tangling. So I didn't do a whole lot in this wig to determine the whether or not it will tangle, but so far it has not tangled on me. For as the shedding, I get a little shedding, not much. That's typical for any wig that is not your own hair, and your own hair sheds also, so there you go. But yeah, you guys, I'm really liking this wig. I'm really liking how I colored it. Crazy, but I did. I colored it with my wig knot healer, which will only be temporary. It's gonna go away, but right now it looks good. But yeah, you guys, so that's all I really have to say about this hair. Definitely let me know how you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and what did you think about me dyeing the strip of my hair with the knot healer. Let me know, guys. Yeah, again, if you want to purchase any of the stuff that I used in this video, I'll put all the links down in the description bar. And that's it. I thank you guys for coming back, tuning in to another hair review of mine. If you guys are not joined to my family, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and definitely hit the notification bell along with it, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely know about it. And again, thank you guys again for tuning into another video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.